Hello. It is me, Coach Moore. I am here to make you a little something, something. I was looking at the discussion and I am a bit confused by some of your posts. I would think you never, I don't know, played with dice before. Anyway, this is what you got to do. When you go to this little site right here, there we go, you will see to die a pair of dice. It says roll a pair of dice and record the number. This will be your job. So I roll it, roll. That is 3 and 4. That is 7. That is 7. So when I go to my discussion post here, let me start me a little post so you can see it. Start new thread. I'm going to put 7 for my first roll. All right, roll 1 equals 7. All right, and then I'm going to roll again, but this time the directions told us to roll a single die. So we go up here and we change to 1 dice and we roll. And boom, I got a 6. That's even. All right, let's say I rolled, you got 3. That's odd. Anyway, I had a 6, so I'm going to say roll 2. I'll leave it all right here. Roll 2 was even since I had that 6. If I had that 3, I would say odd. All right. And then lastly, I'm going to say, whoa, didn't mean to do that. Roll 3. Now for roll 3, guys, go back to the 2 dice and roll again. That's 8. Okay, not 5 and 3. That's 8. So I put 8. You need this. All right, 7 for your job, even for my spouse, and 8 for my spouses, or even for my roommate or spouse, even for my roommate or spouse, and 8 for my roommate or spouse's job. All right, and then you hit post. And then when you get the rest of the instructions tomorrow, these numbers will become clear to you. Now, some of you, for example, for your third roll, said, hey, this is 5 and 3. You need to add those together. All right, so you can have row 3 to be one single total. All right, I hope this makes sense. I will catch you